How to check time spent on TikTok. If you want to see how much time you actually use on TikTok, then you have come to the right video. Maybe you want to follow up on the time spent on TikTok or want to set a limit for yourself but need to know where to check it. So the first you need to do is to open up your TikTok app and make sure it is logged in on the account you use when you scroll on TikTok. Look in the bottom where you see the profile section and go and click it. Now you are on the profile where you need to look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top, which you need to click, and on the pop-up click on the Settings and Privacy tab that you see in the bottom. Scroll down in the Settings and Privacy category until you see the Screen Time tab and go ahead and click it. Under the summary you can see how much time you have spent total but also on the different days of the week. You can also under the This Week tab, go back to other weeks and check how much time you have spent on the app. So that is how you check your time spent on TikTok. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if it fixed your problem, and also check out the other videos on the screen as well. Thanks for watching.